Okay, this is my second video for the 5 new technologies. This one is Kahoot. It is free. I know it's definitely free for educators. So if you have your account after you log in, this is the screen that it will bring you to. And so you can have your name and everything over here. And then down here where it says My Kahoots, these are the Kahoots that I have created. I use this to hit math standards specifically. I use it with addition and subtraction to work on the fluency piece with my students. They can play it individually, or they sometimes play it with partners when we're first getting started. They do it in pairs just because it's a little easier. If you wanted to create your Kahoot, though, you go to Create New, and then it will bring you to this screen so you can do it with slides, different options of how you want to create it. So you create the new, and then you can add in images with your own from the computer video, like YouTube links, or you can use theirs that they have here. So if I were to pick this one, that would be the background then that the kiddos would see on that slide. And I would create my question up here at the top. So if I just did 5 plus 1 equals, and then you add your answers down here. And then you have to select the correct answer before moving on to the next slide. On here, you can also adjust the amount of time you want it to be shown to them. So it will close out when all the people who have logged into it have responded, or it will continue to show the question until the time that you allotted for that slide runs out. So for mine in kindergarten, when we're first starting this, we do it for a while. So I leave it up for like 90 seconds, anywhere to 120 sometimes, and that seems long, but it gives everybody time to get their answer in and kind of think through it. For older grades, so depending on what you're working on, you could do it really like a quicker time, and you can adjust the points. I never really do that because it still does the points, but you would go through then and you could continue to add questions and make it as big as you want. You can do tons of different question types. So quiz, which is like multiple choice, there's true or false, open-ended, puzzle, poll, or slide. I've used the poll one before. Also with creating, you can do it for party ideas for my class, when letting them choose like what they would like to do. But I've also done it just with this and only providing them with 2 answers. So it's like ice cream or like pizza or extra recess or something. So that is the second video for the technologies. The ISTE standards that this one would go under would be 2A and 2B.